Good morning, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, and Adab to all my valuable viewers. Today we are going to discuss a very commonly used word here, later, बाद में करेंगे और इसको हम लोग ये भी कह सकते हैं, हम बोलते हैं किसी काम को टाल देना, postpone the matter to later and mind it. This attitude, this way of thinking, putting it to later stage can be disastrous. There are some commonly used stages where we try to and normally postpone the things, and this video is a caution to everybody, an alert to see to it what can be the consequences of putting the things to later, right? So I will be, when you stay later, बाद में करेंगे, बाद में क्या हो सकता है। आपके लिए कॉफ़ी बनाई गई, बाद में काफ़ी ठंडी हो सकती है। You may not enjoy it. Please do not put it to later. Take it right at the moment. Then later, today, अगर आपने कोई काम करना था, अगर आपने टाल दिया, तो अभी दिन है, तो लेटर में रात नाइट हो सकती है। तो प्लीज़, that work which was to be done in the day, by postponing it to in the evening, it can be a night. Later कहने से आप बड़े भी हो सकते हैं, छोटे हैं. The development and growth is a continuous process. You can grow up also. Then later, people, life goes by, जिंदगी बीत जाएगी. Please do not go to later. Not doing something later, you may not get a chance to do it. So for God's sake, do not delay the things to later. You may lose interest in that job. अभी आपको कोई काम करने में आपका इंटरेस्ट है, अगर आपने उसको टाल दिया, हो सकता है शाम को आपका उस काम में इंटरेस्ट ही ना हो. So please do as soon as possible. The delaying it to a later stage, it can be disastrous. Normally what is happening in our day-to-day life, जब घर के अंदर आप रहते हैं, there are certain things which are required to be done. Then you all the time go on to yoga teacher says that आप योगा करिए. यार अभी मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, टाल दिया आपने. That time may not ever come. And then if you have to go to a temple for worship, अरे यार टाइम नहीं है. Postponing it to later, maybe in the morning you may die. You may not be able to fulfill your wish of going to temple. I know one of my friend's case. His mother wanted to go to one special, to a temple for a special पूजा, and every time that slowly and डरती हुई बेटे से वो बार बार रिक्वेस्ट करती थी, तो बेटा कहता था नहीं टाइम नहीं है, बाद में ले जाएंगे. तो बाद में वो धीरे से रिक्वेस्ट करती है कि अरे भाई मुझे इंडिपेंडेंटली अकेले ही जाने दो. अकेला कह देने से, अरे दी सन वॉज ऑलवेज इन ए फायरिंग मूड, ही यूज टू से, अरे यार तुम अकेली जाओगी, कहीं रास्ते में एक्सीडेंट हो गया, तुम्हारी टांग टूट जाएगी, फिर मुझे अब प्लास्टर. आई वॉज नॉट वरीड अबाउट, and that person was not at all worried about the tongue of his mother. He was more worried about कि जब टांग टूट जाएगी तो उसका प्लास्टर कराने के लिए उसको खर्चा करना पड़ेगा. Likewise, all the time his wife was telling, यार आज दूध ला दो, आज मिट्टी का तेल ला दो, ये ला दो. He never had a time. अभी यार आज तुम ले आओ, बाद में मैं ले आऊँगा. But at a later, at the final stage of his life, when he realized all his mistakes, which he was postponing it to a later, and one day his wife, he told his wife, yeah, today you give me that kerosene dibba, I will go and bring the kerosene. His mother told, no, you don't do it. By that time, the man had become so old, and his wife told, यार अगर तुम जाओगे तो ये कैन ही तुम भूल के चले आओगे, मिट्टी का तेल तुम नहीं ला पाओगे. Likewise, if somebody is to be given some treatment in the medical college or some suffering from some disease, please do not delay it. Delay can be disastrous. If you delay his treatment, delay your own treatment, delay your own surgery. I know there are certain cases where the man had to undergo that bypass surgery. अरे बाद में करेंगे यार, अभी I am very busy. And when that finally he was about to take a decision, one day he had an heart attack, he died. So in nutshell, कल करना सो आज कर, जो आज करना जो अब कर. Please do not postpone anything to later. And at the end of your life, we go on collecting regrets in our, we collect a big heap of regrets in our life and sit on that. And God tells, okay, gentlemen, now there is no time for you to do anything. You can leisurely and continuously regret till your death. With this, we conclude this today's letter with a message to everybody. Please, for God's sake, do not postpone anything. Do it right now. Nothing to be left to tomorrow. Thanks a lot.